Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day everyone. Today we are going to look at another multimedia element and that is graphics. Basically this is the outline that we will be looking at for this week and the following week. Now what is basically graphics, yeah? Now let us look at the introduction here. A single table or a chart or a graphic or even a photograph can actually illustrate what might take many pages of narrative text to communicate. So graphics may do a better job of creating a lasting impression or establishing a mood that the narrative text may communicate. Now I give you an example. If I were to ask you to read a paragraph, or if I were to ask you to view a photo or to look at a photo, that both paragraph and the photo brings the same meaning or the same content or the same intention of the content. Which one do you think, in your opinion, will last longer? So basically, I suppose your answer would be the photo. We tend to remember the photo, or we tend to keep the memory of remembering the photo far longer as compared to the text. So that is why in designing a website, not only you need to know the right text, the right amount of text, the right font to be used for the text, you must also know how to actually utilize all the elements and tools of manipulating graphics and photos in order to make your website to be better and effective to the audience. So graphics must be in digital form if we want to use them in multimedia applications. Digitizing is needed to convert images into a format that the computer can recognize and manipulate. So these are some of the source of digital images. We have scan images, still images, video images, photo CD, stock photography, and clip art. Now, scan images. Scanners digitize already developed images, including photographs and drawings. The optical resolution measured in dpi dots per inch of a scanner refers to the number of sensor elements per inch on the scan head. So when scanning images, we may choose the highest possible resolution to obtain the best quality. At a later stage, we may reduce the resolution of the image in order to reduce its file size. So as you can see here, the higher the resolution is, the bigger the file will be. And in order for you to upload certain images that you have scanned, due to high resolution, sometimes the requirement is different, and therefore they will ask you to reduce the size of the file. When you reduce the size of the file, automatically the image will be scaled down to a bit lower resolution. That will somehow affect, the resolution of the photo or image as a whole. So we use scan images. We have a scanner. And why do we scan? Because sometimes some formats are in hard copy forms and they were produced using hardware. I give you an example. If let's say you take a photo um, using your camera, for example, and we are not talking about the current camera or modern camera. We are talking about the old camera where you use the camera film. And as you can see here, there is everything that is used in that camera and together with the camera film in order to produce the photo. There is no element of soft copy. Everything is saved in hard copy. So imagine having the end product of the camera, which is a photo, that is in the form of a hard copy, and you want that to be emerged or to appear in a soft copy device, for example, a laptop or a smartphone. You need to transform that image or that photo by using a medium. And the medium that we normally use is a scanner. So the scanner has the ability of scanning the images to appear exactly the same on a soft copy version. We also have the second one, still images. Still images are basically digital cameras capture images in a digital format. Digital video cameras can be used to capture frames of video or still images. So example like digital camera, digital video camera. This is the modern camera, I call it, or the modern video camera. We also have photo CD. Now, photo CD enables photos taken with a film camera to be viewed in a digital format. Photo CDs such as Kodak's Picture CD store hundreds of digital photographs. We also have stock photography. High quality photographs are available from stock photography websites. Commercial image providers or stock photography houses create and sell the rights to images. I think everyone knows this, yeah? There are a lot of available websites that have a stock of images available for you to be used online. Some of them you have to purchase the license because whenever a photographer upload a photo and whenever you need to use the photo for commercial purpose, it is very important for you to purchase or to gift the credit to the rightful owner. So that is why most of the images and photos that are available online need to be purchased. Number one, that purchase is a form of showing your gratitude, your appreciation, and also um, uh, as a way of saying that you'll be using this for commercial purpose or non-commercial purpose to the rightful owner of that photo. Number two is a form of source of income for these photographers. Most of them are freelancers. And last but not least is clip art. It's a collection of drawings or illustration generally organized by category. If images are in the public domain, it means we can use these images at our discretion for no charge. Clip art from Clip Art Library is available for download from the web. Yeah, I think everyone knows clip art. I use clip art most of the time when I design my slides using PowerPoint. Okay. Next, let us talk about image types. We have vector graphics and also bitmap graphics. Now, vector graphics refer to drawings that contain flat colors without tonal variation, are composed of geometric shapes such as lines, curves, ovals, and polygons, can be constructed using mathematical formulas, can be resized and rotated without distortion, and it has smaller file sizes for simple drawings and are good for graphics that must retain distinctive lines when sizes change, for example logos. Yeah, so these are vector graphics. Bitmap graphics, on the other hand, refer to images that have tonal variations such as color photographs, are composed of pixels. Enlarging bitmap graphics too much may result in staircasing or jaggies. Bitmap is an image type suitable for creating photorealistic images, complex drawings, images which contain fine details. Yeah. Now this is an example between a vector and a bitmap. Yeah. Because vector are made out of line and everything, bitmap on the other hand is using pixels